Psychodynamic theory rooted in the work of Sigmund Freud. It emphasizes the influence of unconscious processes, early childhood experiences, interpersonal relationship on human behavior and mental health. It posits that much of our behavior is driven by the unconscious motives, desires, and conflicts, often stemming unresolved issues in childhood. Core concept includes id, ego, and superego, which represents the instinctual drive, rational self, moral standards, respectively. Psychodynamic theory also highlights defense mechanisms such as repression and denial, of which an individual cope with anxiety and internal conflicts. Modern adaptations, including um, object relations, and attachment theory, expands on these ideas, focusing on the role of early relationship and emotional bonds in shaping personality and behavior. That's all. Thank you.